Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you a cupcake/cake recipe for your little ones, or not so little ones. As probably you know, if you follow me on Instagram or if you've watched some of my previous videos, my baby girl Magnolia is doing baby-led weaning. She's been doing it for about 6 weeks now, and I've been practicing and trying some recipes to give her different foods, cakes, cookies, things like that. And I came up with this yummy recipe that's super healthy. I'm sure you have the ingredients at home and it's very easy to make. So if you want to make this recipe, I got it out of this app. It's actually in Spanish, but I've translated it for you guys. And if you're interested in making a yummy cake or cupcake recipe for your little ones that's super healthy, please continue with the videos and let me know what you think about it. Banana and orange cupcakes. This recipe is perfect for babies who just started baby-led weaning. Remember that your baby needs to try each ingredient individually first in order to rule out allergies. All babies older than 6 months can try this recipe. Let's start by preheating the oven at 375. Now, the ingredients. 1 ripe banana, 1 orange, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 ounces of vegetable oil, 3.5 ounces of whole wheat flour, 6 tablespoons of cornstarch. Let's start. First, we're going to peel the orange and the banana and put it all in a deep container. Second, now it's time to process everything together with a processor or a blender, whatever it's easy for you. Remember that we want to mix it all well. Now we're going to add the oil to this mix. And then stir again. Now we're going to pour the wet ingredients into a big bowl. It's time to add the dry ingredients. We're going to add the cornstarch, whole wheat flour, and baking powder. And we're going to mix well again. If you want the recipe to be smoother, you can substitute the whole wheat flour for regular flour. And also, you can use a blender to do this step. Now it's time to pour the mix into a mini cupcake pan like this one, or into a cake pan if that's what you want. Bake in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes, or until you see this beautiful golden color on top of them. Now it's time to enjoy! Don't forget to keep the cupcakes in the fridge if you want them to last a little longer. Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it. I will be uploading new videos every week. See you soon!